Welcome to the Chairman Television Station inside the nation. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Make una not forget, we don't also come back on top of Star Times for channel 195. So anywhere where you're inside Obodo Nigeria, Obodo the world, no excuse. You must watch that Ogbonge politics discussion show as in a heart where we say all the action to do where they come on smoke inside Obodo Nigeria, we will carry them, drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them. The way the team be you for body so that those when they do waiting, the leaders go here, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezu Gochokwode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Samuel as they concern the politics matter as in a heart.
Yes, the day now Monday, and now the terrible edition of our Ogbonge program as the hot. Now we don't carry come na domot where we go give now all the gist, all the infotainment, if I go rather use that word, of the political activities we happen for Obodo Nigeria over the weekend. So that at least for those of our viewers we say when I know they up to date with the latest things that happen, at least now if they follow based on how they always run our things. We go open our phone lines so that when that time reach, now go also feed with it. Contribute in our own quarter to the whole discussion because as I always talk about this country, nobody country. Now our collective will as Nigerians to do it, to join hand and ensure say we'll move on forward. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi. And this now as it is hot.
We get our Ogbonge visitor when we say every time when we extend invitation, give her. She not even the wait make the call end before she don't arrive for inside our studio. Sake of say issues when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria. As a mother and as a senior citizen, it is they always they touch her. Based on say God create women especially, she go carry her wisdom, address all the issues when we don't carry come based on Tear Rubber Monday. As we say now all the action when happen for Nigeria over the weekend, now we they carry come and they talk of no other than I they like call her name in full. And this morning I go clear my throat 3 times. I may not blocker 1, 2, 3. Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba. Honorable Princess, welcome to As in the Hot.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I said the way when they use laughter, they always they open the show, the team, they always they give me job.
For a Monday morning like this, at least we need.
And with the way things they go for this country, when we say job like the things they upside down.
God go help us.
I like the way your laughter they.
Now sense of at least say hope see day for the front.
Yes,
exactly.
so
Hope see day. You know as we they do, I'm on top of As in the Hot. We they shake the hand of our Ogbonge visitor them, so that.
Me say make I want my hand.
Make the thing hot well, so that when the discussion starts, the matter go begin the flow.
Yes.
We not go waste time. We go just go straight into our discussion. We they come Monday, Tear Rubber Monday, based on say now all the action today will they carry come. And the first one we'll get for here, get to do with the 2016 budget. Everybody knows say going into 2016, that is this year, a lot of people will talk about the 2016 budget and they talk say that budget, they term the budget of change. But if we check our calendar today now July 18th. 7 months into that 2016, it can't be like say that budget of change, not the term budget of one chance. Make a break camera, make I explain. Information will come out last week, say the Secretary General to the Federation, David Babachi Lawal, come out, come talk, say, if we tell ourselves the truth based on reality when they're on ground, say that 2016 budget, it be like say, we no go fit do a very big percentage for implementation of the budget. Plenty people shock, say, But there be promise of say this budget of change, say the thing go change the life of plenty Nigerians. And when Oga President bin sign the budget for May 6, 2016, plenty people will begin to jubilate because they may carry his stock, say 350 billion naira. They go inject them into the economy immediate. 200 billion go into construction. But people can't carry calculator the weight. Those when they sell cement, those when they sell sand, those when they sell gravel, those when they wait make the economy flourish. They can't talk say, it be like say this government, it be like go slow. And then they can't wonder what will be the traffic light when they in front of this government where they control them. When we enter this discussion, we go look this matter to see whether this 2016 budget indeed now budget of change or a budget of one chance. As it hot.
Yes, and from there we could go straight to this next story. And they detained the former national security advisor to the past government, Colonel Mohammed Sambo Dasuki. Don't look the condition where they feel. Because say, hey, look, I can no longer take this. I can no longer take this. I can no longer take this. How they going to hold me for custody for how long? You can't do it. You can't cut rope with federal government. Say, look, it is hard time you release me. Can't even carry federal government do it. Go court on to say they step on his fundamental right as in Nigerian way it be. Say, how you now just they hold me on to say even when court don't do it, don't order say make now release me pending when I will carry out an investigation since December. when they don't give the order. Still now, this now like the 7th month we don't enter, so July. Now still they hold me, say he can no longer take this. As a matter of fact, he can't do it. He can't carry the federal government go court to go fight it for right. Can also put a 15 billion naira suit against them. Unto say, look, now they fight my right. I mean, now they fight over my right. I get the right as going by the law to also fight for my own right. And for this reason, I go slam $15 billion naira and matter on top of their head. Make now do it. Me now not take address and also release me the way I'm supposed to do, and based on our constitution. Now waiting concern Oga Dasuki and the federal government matter be that.
From what happened to Oga Dasuki, we will check the hammer from the National Judicial Commission. We fall on top of the head of 2 justices there. And they talk of Justice Mohammed Yunusa and Justice Olamide Oloyede. The both of them, respectively, now for the court, when they for inside Lagos and the one when they for Osun State. The NJC been look these people, check their record, say 2 of them, they get 2 very bad behavior. They break them down, they talk, say, Mohammed Yunusa, say in a person when we say any case where they carry can't give them for inside in court, he go just talk, say, EFCC. Once in hear EFCC, in here they always they stand up. So once in hear EFCC, go to say EFCC, stop your investigation. They go say, but we go say no, stop it. They give names of people when we say, in look their case finish talk, say, make EFCC and no even investigate these people at all. Wait till people they call perpetual injunction, interlocutory injunction. That is to talk say, make EFCC no even cough for where these people they based on say these people now they are right to do anything when we say they won't do. They go talk say for Justice Oloyede own, they talk say her behavior somehow we feel no good at all. And make we no forget say Justice Oloyede and the person when we say he write one letter that time, give the Osun State House of Assembly, say may they impeach Governor Aregbesola based on saying just they no fit pay salary. She come dey ask say governor wey no fit pay salary. That one na governor, I mean na class captain. When we look this story, we go check how government fit do wetin improve the judiciary to take fight corruption, but we go see whether they do am the right way or the wrong way. As e dey.
Yes, from there, make we also enter into this interesting story, and the president himself, and that is Oga Muhammadu Buhari, don't do it. Don't give order to the IG, that is the Inspector General of Police. Say, look, anywhere when I know, so now keep those files we concern the late Bola Ige and also the late Chief Aminu Sari Dokubo. Me now go find them out immediately because we cannot just allow those cases to just die, to just do it, make them sweep and enter carpet like that. Say we have to do it. We have to receive the root cause of everything happened to the death of these strong people. We know very well say Oga Bola Ige then in 2001 as the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice. We hear the story wey surrounding death as he take going house for Ibadan, can't do it, can't buy am. We can also hear the one we concern the former that is the former national deputy national chairman of PDP, that is Oga Dokubo in 2004. And they also do it and they also make an arrangement buy am. Oga the president can look say hey, if you notice now they succeed over time with people, when I go there they buy people, they succeed with time. This one why don't they put eye? We must see the root cause. Now, waiting concern Oga President and the past issues about the death of Oga Bola Ige and Oga Dokubo be that.
So, come top our story, we go talk about when we say everybody for inside Obodo Nigeria don't they fear, because if big people when get security to surround them and when we say it be like say some kind of spiritual power they guide them, it be like say bad if we happen to them. What about the ordinary Nigerian citizen? And this one get to do with the Oniba of Iba land, Oba Yusha Godiola Oseni. They talk say around 11:30, some kind of bad men, about 16 of them, when cover their face, carry different weapons. They follow water, enter inside in palace. So as they enter inside in palace, the person will be saying in security, they shoot that one. They tie people, they shoot his wife, they carry the man, carry and go. Nobody, they don't even hear Tao. Based on Banga, say they shoot Banga, say Tao. Say they won't use tackle those people when we say can't carry them. Plenty people call and ask, say, why is every time for inside this Nigeria? If we open our newspaper, if no be herdsmen, now kidnap. If no be kidnap, now militants. If no be militants, now Boko Haram. If no be Boko Haram, now one bad thing or the other. They call look say, shall we even get police for this country? Some people don't even come at us say, if the work don't tire police people or tire our soldier people, make we ourselves, if we begin to wear uniform, they guard our own self. We go discuss all this matter on As E Dey Hot. Honorable Princess Fola, I'd like to call your name in full, Folashade Olabanji Oba. Once again, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning.
You don't hear all the action today will carry come from weekend, 5 of them. I'm going to start with this very important one. Everybody knows a budget. If before you go do anything, when you know say you won't spend judiciously, that is you won't spend your money where you go first draw budget or look say okay, well, this thing when I won't buy, you what this one when I won't buy before this one, I really need them. And make I come break this matter down. we hear say this 2016 budget wey people been talk am that year say once they pass the 2016 budget everything for Nigeria go change, sun go stop to the hot, rain no go dey fall too much, everything go dey okay, husband and wife no go dey quarrel. But e be like say since this 2016 budget Oga Predo carry him biro sign am on May 6th, e be like say money to even use fund the budget sef no even come dey, because people dey talk say based on the activities of militants for Nigeria Delta and the fact say we no dey make the kind money wey we dey make again, e be like say the thing no red. The question wey I wan ask now na say this 2016 budget of change now, based on since when APC don't enter, when they don't, shey na really change or na one chance? Now you go fit answer the question because these people, you know them well. You know them, so you go fit answer the question.
When you talk, say you just dey talk. I go talk say no. The fact
now all of us dey inside them together.
Okay.
So it's person, no person. Take am easy, young man.
Our president don't talk say. Make we get small patience.
This patience now 14 months now.
I know say 14 months, yes. But now only me now they sign that budget.
Okay, 2 months.
And all of us, we know the process. It was Herculean, make I use that word.
That is strong.
Because, you know, our president no want too much mago. The power way dey between the bigger house, the smaller house, the presidency, where the president say, no add anything for top. Small time they say this, but at the end of the day, I think all those things make we talk through take small time. And as it takes more time, the way where our brothers can they do things for that, Niger Delta, everything, the way the money can drop, the oil self, oil they go up, but the production no go up because our brother they sabotage the thing. So you know if they spend waiting you no collect. Say to say, not be say now only that one we depend on for that budget. Because this budget it get as we say now very unique budget where for the first time no be only oil. Now we say okay we go get the say the government say they want divert attention small to other areas. So the better thing where I go say make we do now make all of us make we dey focus, concentrate on any job where they for our hand, make we all rally round, make we support our president. Not be quick we say 1 chance, 10 chance, 1 million chance. There is only one way where all of us must think now. Now mission to rescue Nigeria.
Okay. Princess Folasade, may I bring her from this angle? A mission to rescue Nigeria, just as they talk about.
Yes.
Okay. And then going by the fact, say our Oga President don't sign budget. I don't know say yes to for this particular year, see amount we won't spend. I will also consider say we get challenges. And then looking forward now. Say you notice say you go there on the part of the government as a failure if with the challenges they don't fit do it, they don't fit find solution to them, and also ensure say that particular budget where they don't promise, where we say it don't map out, so they still meet up.
They go still meet up, but all of us know the small issues where they for the process. I go call them process now, because now everything still now in house. But I think say for the first time, it dey healthy for Nigeria. Make it not be say somebody go say now only one person now ain't get too much power to just do comma cross this. So the way forward where me I go still talk say we don't pass budget. Make all of us concentrate on how we go make that money
work.
Make it work for us. Now ain't the most important now. And then the security of life and property. Because that one is the primary job of all of us. You know, make we know say now everything now Oga Buhari go come inside our house. Make we look out for one another. You know as our brother they talk, say 1 chance. Even self Naija people we like drama. And our mouth quick we want fire or demand not be to say problem.
Honorable Princess,
yes sir.
The issue now be say if we talk say Nigerians like quick solution and our mouth, but make we not forget say some people now then come out use their mouth talk say
promises.
if we do this e go dey like this if we enter e go dey like e we go give 5,000 $1 1 fuel this that
and the funny thing
you know think say na those people use their own hand you have use their own mouth put themselves for this trouble.
And apart from that, going by the fact that these same people as they talk they even give dates give months
in 6 months
in 6 months
in 3 months
this period say they go achieve these things.
Na true. But the thing wey they no expect na in everything come dey comot like this. You know say na only few days I don talk am be here before wey dem take over we no know say dem don almost finish Nigeria like this. The kind money now the thing wey we say we go do if the money at least for now say dem say corruption alone if you look the kind number wey we dey talk this one collect billion trillion gbogbo if you look everything for now if Nigeria get that kind money for saving the story no go be like this today.
But make I bring her from this angle based on the way you talk am. Okay, if we talk say yes somehow the past government don almost wan finish Nigeria make we also bear in mind say e get some people wey be say wey be part of this present government wey switch over from the past government wey say they suppose know wetin dey go on for this particular government too. And apart from that make we also look say any government wey dey come into power suppose don get a mapped out plan say okay I don't this is how I will do it. If this talent come from here, I will solve and through this means. If this talent, but it just like say
he get mark papa, but as they talk now, say they fight person. He say as they fight that corruption self they fight back plenty. And you know, even this kind of situation where we they see say naira they grow from inside ground now. He get as he be now. Shebi no be only how many days ago where they go they dig for farm
Sunday,
for farm. Now seed we not say then they sow. Now naira they sow make it don't they grow. So e get some things where if you look at Nigeria, it pass all kind of you plan now God. So some people just dey wey want sabotage the good work wey and e no dey of anybody interest. Make we sabotage this our country.
Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanjo, yes. Go good make we emphasize the point when you don't raise. You don't already talk and say the reality now say things don't read. But government when they committed to ensuring say they improve the lives of the people, that they do their best. The people must also do their own best too to show support to the government as they make sacrifice. But go good make government do their work quickly because if you promise the people say you won't bring change and you can't come back tomorrow, come begin to tell them story, no be waiting they put you there to do because now your promise now make them give you that mandate to represent them. You also talk something about securing lives and property. No, just quickly discuss this security story because I know say we no go dwell too much of this one. If people when they say they're there for position where we know say okay they get security detail in the sense say they get access to police because they be VIP. Oba Goriola Hussaini and first class traditional ruler for inside this Lagos. Yes. So most definitely go get security people when they say they're there with them. But if people fit enter in palace, carry them go, and we no hear of any resistance. We never hear of say okay they intercept them, they do this, they do that. This one don't really show say like our security now for Nigeria. It even was past the way when the thing dey about 1 year ago. Because if we see the kind of things when they happen for Benue, with the year of Benue massacre, herdsmen, different parts of Nigeria. It just be like say we don't invest everything we get to fight Boko Haram. But even police when we say supposed to ensure internal security, they don't even come do wetin that they do. We hear of the one about 2 weeks ago where happened for Igbo Olomu for inside the Ikorodu and Lagos Ogun State border. People already come and talk say they don't fit go back to that community again. Why it be say every time we open newspaper? One security issue or the other. Shey na say our police people, our soldier people, all our security people in all, they need to go back school, go learn. Abi they no get the equipment wey they go use. Abi na say we go
they no dey enough.
Abi na blood of Jesus we go take dey cover ourselves alone because the be like say na that only that one shop pass because since this government enter, e just be like say no, I just dey talk I just dey talk.
Okay, Chukwudi. God go help all of us for this country.
Amen.
I think say government get big work for their hand. Because for me, I still think say this one na terrorism. Especially our waterway. If you see the thing where they happen for Lagos now, a lot of these people now waterway plenty. Now then they use plenty now to commit a lot of atrocities, yes. You know, you talk about the one for Ikorodu. Now the same waterway they come, enter, do everything, go back again. Nobody catch anybody. Now, this one for this Kabiyesi now, the same thing. So, e dey worrisome. But to say government no do anything, at least I can talk for Lagos State. Say, our governor for Lagos State, he dey try well. But it be like say we need bigger help. Maybe federal government go give us plenty small power for state policing, for this local area policing as well, where we dey get for like for communities, you know, where we go help one another more, because the thing now it dey scary. You know, for somebody no fear a whole Kabiyesi, wetin go come happen to small man? Even this kidnapping thing, it don't too much.
It don't too much.
It too much. God go help us.
So the situation we dey now, like you talk say, we all know say the governor of Lagos State especially they try because of the kind way we say don't give hand to take support police.
Yes.
When they talk say we go need bigger support in the form of maybe state policing. But the reality now, I say some people they fear say if we give state police, some governors the way they behave, some of them go turn themselves to King Nebuchadnezzar. Now in the immediate, what we fit do to use to ensure the safety of lives and property? Because like you talk, if somebody fit enter the palace of traditional ruler, carry him, shoot him wife, shoot the guard, nothing happen. What will happen to the ordinary man when they're on top of the street?
Me, I think say the government they work on top of that one, because the main thing for me, we don't lose conscience. Hunger self they bite hard. Too much. You know, they say devil get job for idle hand. A lot of our young people, nothing, you know. So we cannot do more than enough to keep their spirit up that, yes, the government cares. And we are really, they put them for right direction. Because, you know, too much waiting as you talk.
It cause frustration.
Frustration.
Very, very true.
And so, it dey easy, make them take small thing, they deceive them to do wrong things. So, but also, for inside every house, because this is where they commit this crime.
They be human beings.
They be human beings.
They get family.
They get family.
Not
they
true.
get wife. They get husband. They get mama. They get papa. You know, if somebody don't do their job well,
it no go happen like this.
Then conscience no go fit hurt another person.
Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba, the way you take answer that question, it don't open our eyes to so many new things. When we go this break, come back, we go shift gear, enter inside 3 of the remaining stories. The one we get to do with, the one we say Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired, cut rope for federal government based on in continuous detention. The one we get to do with the one when they reopen file of Bola Ige and Dokubo, and the one when NJC knock hammer on 2 justices' head. No go anywhere. Will they come back now? Still ask Ide. Now you go complete and you in the house. I no go complete her. Now you go complete her. Oh. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.